Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Apple has released the 7th beta of iOS 16 and iPadOS 16 to developers. As we already know that the launch of the iPhone 14 is near and iOS 16 will also be released to the public in the same week. And so iOS 16 beta 7 may be the last beta update, while iPadOS 16 beta will continue. Let's find out everything about iOS 16 Developer Beta 7. iOS 16 comes with many new features such as new advanced lock screen customizations. It also brings some privacy features. But iOS 16 is currently available to developers and public beta testers for testing. And finally, in a few weeks, everyone with an eligible iPhone can enjoy the new features. Along with iOS 16 Developer Beta 7, Apple also released watchOS 9 Developer Beta 7, tvOS 16 Developer Beta 7 and iPadOS 16.1 Developer Beta 1. Apple has started testing iPadOS 16.1 as its public release has been delayed, and now iPadOS 16 will release in October. iOS 16 Developer Beta 7 comes with build number 20A5356A, and that means it could be the final beta and the next build will be the release candidate followed by the public build next to next week. Speaking of changes, it doesn't bring much changes. It focuses on bug fixes as we near a public release, but there may be some minor changes like changes in words, splash screens, etc. The iOS 16 Beta 7 is currently available to developers only. The public beta is expected to release soon, within a day or later. If you are on the iOS 16 Developer Beta 6, then you can easily update your iPhone from Settings, then General and Software Update. Before updating, make sure to take a backup of important data and charge your iPhone to 50% at least. Soon after the iOS 16 announcement, Apple also shared the eligibility for iOS 16. The iOS 16 eligibility is different from what we all expected. iOS 16 drops support from 5 iPhones. If you are using old iPhones, then unfortunately you will not be able to get iOS 16. iOS 16 supported devices list. Upcoming iPhone series: iPhone 14, iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, iPhone XX, XS Max, X and XR, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation. Note: iPhone SE 1st generation, iPhone 6s, 6s Plus and 7 Plus are no longer supported for new major iOS updates. This was today's video. Hope you like the video. If you like, then don't forget to leave a like, comment and share, and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.